So the theater was built the scale model was built in 1956. The theater that it's a model of was used up until 1970s. And this, if you can see it, this thunder run, they call it, up here, built in the rafters, is like that one there where there's a ball in it that they can tilt to make it sound like thunder. And it was recently uncovered in 2012 when they were restoring the theater. Make it sound like thunder. So this is cool too. This is all of the backstage stuff for the theater.
Change the backdrop on the other side. There's different characters, and then the other backdrop for the forest.